Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Huel versus Ag1. We'll explore their core purposes, nutritional profiles, and how they fit into different lifestyles. Huel is designed as a complete meal replacement, offering a balanced blend of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Ag1, on the other hand, is a daily foundational nutrition supplement, packed with vitamins, minerals, and probiotics to support overall well-being. Understanding these differences will help you decide which product aligns best with your personal health objectives. Huel excels as a comprehensive meal solution, perfect for those seeking convenience without compromising nutrition. Each serving delivers a precise balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, along with all 27 essential vitamins and minerals your body needs. It's available in several formats, including powders, ready-to-drink bottles, and even snack bars, making it incredibly versatile for any schedule. If you're looking to replace a meal with a nutritionally complete option, Huel is a strong contender. Ag1, formerly known as Athletic Greens, focuses on foundational nutrition, acting as a daily supplement to fill dietary gaps. It boasts an impressive blend of 75 vitamins, minerals, and whole food-sourced ingredients, including powerful adaptogens and antioxidants. A key benefit is its support for gut health, thanks to a robust combination of probiotics and probiotics. Many users report increased energy and improved immune function, making Ag1 an excellent choice for enhancing overall wellness and vitality. Deciding between Huel and Ag1 ultimately depends on your specific health goals. If you need a convenient, nutritionally complete meal replacement or are focused on calorie management, Huel is likely your best bet. However, if your aim is to enhance your daily nutrient intake, support gut health, and boost overall vitality, Ag1 stands out as a powerful daily supplement. Both offer significant health benefits, so consider your lifestyle and dietary needs to make the best choice for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.